Dinga nigo bono haba Kenya hamwe n'Abarai besokire eri Kogikeria chinkwane icho chiaye
nigo basabire na abwatwe n'abanyanyimbo Korwa ase egetengo kia NCIC na kounengigwa egati y'Abarai bali besokia kumugikeria ng'amo n'omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati amo n'omugavana we county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga na gutumanye mulikito Wycliffe Orenge.
Magega yo mugabana we county ya Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga kora chinkwana icho chiara kanatego chengero kwa koyo kabero mu prime minister nendo muraiwe kya magia ODM Raila Odinga bono niga bakenya babera bako mugikeria ase chinkwana icho kubwatakana no murero bwo kwemurungania gutindia ase metandao bono nigo mugabana uyu abetererwa gusabo kwabera na igo goteba buna tabwatekerenga kebe ase chinkwana chiaye.
Very onset, I want to sincerely apologize to our mourning nation, to the family of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, Mama Aida, her children Rosemary Jr. and Winnie, Honorable Senator Oburu Odinga and Honorable MP Ruth Odinga, and other siblings and their larger extended family, the ODM fraternity and the Luo nation and Kenyans at large. And to my colleague leaders from all sides of the political divide for any harm that it has elicited. The clip was taken while attending a burial in my home village, and my remarks were in no way celebratory. And everyone back to the drawing board. As the popular saying goes, God takes the best, and it is in this context that I made those remarks in vernacular. Let me also make it clear that the remarks I made are my personal views, and therefore should in no way be associated with the community's position or any political affiliation, nor the Council of Governors.
Egati y'Abarai bali besokia eliko Kogikeria Kahiga na gusaba abe kubyara elio airirwe getamagero kele chiko n'omugabana we county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati amo n'omugabana we county ya Homa Bay omoske Gladys Wanga abo asabate babuna chinkwana cha Kahiga ne chimbe na ndadi chabwana latikorwa asomurai wekerengo bunekyo.
Noted Governor Kahiga's recent apology and resignation. However, these actions alone are insufficient to undo the deep harm caused by his disgressive remarks celebrating the death of Baba Raila Odinga. Words of such hatred and disrespect carry serious consequences and must be met with full accountability. Therefore, I reiterate the demand for immediate arrest and prosecution of Governor Kahiga.
He has crossed the Rubicon. We have crossed that line now. To mock Raila Odinga in his death, to mock him in his life, we could respond. But to mock him in his death, any person who associates with Gachagua, with Kahiga, with that lot can never, ever be our friend.
Chinkwane chobo igo nigo chirera igikero kia bagabana gwesokia abo asaba mutuguterare buno mokonyi bumbo nyakerogo ase igikero kia bagabana.
Still maintain that these sentiments are his personal remarks that do not reflect or represent the views and the values of the Council of Governors. Council has unanimously agreed to remove His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi from the leadership of the Council as the Vice Chair with immediate effect.
N'abamenyi be county ya Kisii nigo barua ebirengerero byabo igoro chinkwane cyo abo asabaganire Kahiga arusigwa bisi limalioka
ari saini mara moja wose akore impeachment na enda buatu akore prosecution tiara na mangana mabeka sana kwanete bunomo mo governor Onyeri
eridengi ya tebone ko chochea asekera monda kule
Kahiga niga manyangango cyaro gutugutwa Korwa asekero kyo makonyi bo munyakirego asege karo kya bagabana nako gwetiye miremo limalioka.
In noting the huge public interest that this issue has generated, I am taking responsibility of the real and perceived meaning of my remarks. I have decided that with immediate effect, I am going to step down as the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors.
Bono nigo yatigere asabara ibonsi kweneke buna mangana bago kuana nigara yokwagacha nenatari yokoleta liroroche kinkuripoteria Ensoko TV kurwaga gasobo gatakati wo mochobo songo iritoriane Wycliffe Orenge.